Three identical gears each have 12 segments. At time 0, they are perfectly aligned. The black segment with a hole is at the top on all three gears. The gears rotate automatically. Top gear, 1 segment rotation every 3 seconds. Middle gear, 1 segment rotation every 2 seconds. Bottom gear, 1 segment rotation every 1 second. Can you find after how much time will all three gears realign with the black, hold segment at the top again?
Let's see how can we solve this puzzle using common sense. It is also interesting that mathematics is not just a subject but also present solution to solve our routine problems.
Besides mathematically, which will follow, we can also use common sense to solve this puzzle. 3-second gear takes 36 seconds to complete 1 rotation and 72 seconds to complete 2 rotation. 2-second gear takes 24 seconds to complete 1 rotation and 48 seconds to complete 2 rotation and 72 seconds to complete 3 rotations. 1-second gear takes 12 seconds to complete 1 rotation and 24 seconds to complete 2 rotation and so on, takes 72 seconds to complete 6 rotations. You see, 72 is the lowest common number and that is the answer. We can find LCM of time taken to complete 1 round. There are 12 segments. 1-second gear take 12 seconds to complete 1 rotation. 2-second gear take 24 seconds to complete 1 rotation. 3-second gear take 36 seconds to complete 1 rotation. Now we find multiples of 12, 24 and 36. The lowest common number is 72. So the gears will take 72 seconds to realign.
Like and subscribe our channel to get more puzzles like this.